how to fix Microsoft Office install failure. So if you want to fix your Microsoft Office install failure, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then you need to just simply search for Office customization tool or deployment tool, and then you need to click on the first option and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go with the products and then select the architecture that you want to deploy, and then go with the product right here, which product you want to deploy. Here you need to go and select the Office suite, or the easiest way is you can also go with the search and then search for Office deployment tool and then go with the first option. And here you will have a download option. You need to click on download and it will automatically start the downloading process, which will be in the top right. Just click on it and then double click on the Office deployment tool option and then click on yes. And just scroll down, click here to accept the Microsoft software license and then go with continue, which will be on the bottom, and then select the folder where you would like to extract the files and then go with OK. And the files have been extracted successfully. Now you can go back, open up your file manager, go with your downloads and then double click on this and then click on yes again. After that, it will start the installation process. Just go and accept and continue and your Microsoft Office will be installed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.